Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can quick react on any message on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and go to the chat box. There you want to quick react. So as you can see, bunch of options over here I can see, but if I want to react on the first one message on in this chat, so as you can see, you have to simply hold it on, and it's gonna be like open it up like this, and by any chance you click on this or like hold it, you will see over here bunch of emojis over here. You can simply click on plus, and then you will see over here bunch of emojis over here also. So whenever I click on any of these emoji, it's gonna be reacted to that chat. So as you can see, I want to react like with a monkey. So whenever I click on that, and you will see over here this monkey is reacted to that picture, or this one to that picture. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.